from Michigan, so I decided I had to stop by and talk to the folks at Danlaw. I'm with Scott Bolt and Thomas Varghese, and I think we're going to be talking about EV charging. Is that right?
Absolutely. So the product that we'll be introducing today, it's just released, is CleverCharge. Now, CleverCharge is a level 2 charger, but what makes it unique is the Clever Key. So
charger, I don't know if any of us said it yet. We're talking about electric vehicle charging.
We're talking about electric vehicle charging here. So what happens is Clever Key plugs into your vehicle, and it allows us to get the vehicle data from the vehicle, combine it with the charging data from the charger through some AI algorithms, and then we're able to do some really interesting things for the customer.
I'm going to explain one thing. It looks like that's going to be an onboard diagnostic plug, is that right?
That's exactly right.
Not all cars have those anymore, but I think it's coming back.
It's legislated for model year 2026. All vehicles sold in the United States have to have it.
Interesting, because we used to have one in my old cars, but I got a Tesla and it doesn't have one.
Older Teslas
they're coming
didn't
back.
have it. Well,
okay.
Only if they want to sell them in California, I guess.
Okay, there you go. Okay, so you've got the OBD adapter here called Clever Key, and that's going to give all kinds of genius information to the CleverCharge, which is a home charger, correct?
It is. It's a home charger, and the things that you can do with this clever information is, as an example, let's say CleverCharge has figured out you drive about 50 miles a day on Sundays, and it's Saturday night, and it knows your vehicle has 30 miles in it, and it's in the garage, but it's not plugged in. It's going to give you a smart alert. Now keep in mind, this smart alert would be different range on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays, depending on how that vehicle is driven on an average for those days. So it's a very smart alert.
That's actually really interesting. Steve is asking about electricity costs. Does it take into account peak timing? And I don't know if everybody else has this, but in California, we've got peak pricing that's double what our regular pricing is.
Yeah, a lot of states have that. So what CleverCharge does is it allows you to set up smart charging, or you can do a manual charge schedule. And what it does is it takes the types of schedules that are in different areas, it figures out how many vehicles you need to charge, tells you when you should charge each one. So CleverCharge imagines a future where there's more than one EV and more than one charger in a household. And maybe you have a cabin up north that you go to on the weekend and you have a charger up there. CleverCharge is a charge management system for all your vehicles.
Interesting. So, what are your connectors types? Are you supporting the North American Charging Standard, NACS?
We support NACS and J1772.
Okay, and level 2. So level 2 is the
240.
The 240. So this is like your dryer outlet level.
Your dryer outlet, exactly.
That's what we like to go with. So, is this product available from Danlaw yet?
This product is being manufactured now. We should have availability for sales in a couple of months.
All right, this looks pretty cool. What is your price point going to be on that?
We haven't announced pricing yet, but
come on, we're from Michigan. We're buddies. You can tell me.
Okay.
I won't tell anybody. Just whisper at my ear.
Just because we're buddies, I'll let you know. It's going to be very competitively priced with the other L2 chargers that are already on the market.
All right, that sounds good. Thomas, did you have anything else? Are you just the pretty face?
So this product is well differentiated from the marketplace by the fact that you're able to manage multiple charges, multiple vehicles in different locations. So it's built with the future of home EV ownership in mind. And I don't think there's anybody out there who has actually designed an app that accounts for scalability. So the app is actually built and designed for scalability in mind.
I like that, because we need all of the cars to be electric, so we need to get there.
That's right. And the charger, the vehicle app is very vehicle focused. It's not charger focused. Whereas this is focused on the charger, your vehicles, and all of your households that you could you own. So you could have a summer home, you could have other properties that you probably own, where you'd want your chargers, and it all manages, seamlessly integrates into your mobile app.
I love it. This sounds really interesting. So if people want to learn more, are you busy here? Or are you playing on your phone? What are you doing?
Trying to bring up the app, but as you know, the network connection here in CES is not
I hear that all the time. No, he's absolutely right. This is a nightmare. Oh, he's got the app up here.
So as you see, what we were talking about here, here's the first household, 3 chargers, 5 vehicles. This vehicle's charging, this vehicle's blue, it's scheduled for a charge.
I do like the names you chose, Dad's car, and the third one is Spare Tesla. Okay.
And then imagine that you've got a whole nother household, a place up north, right? Your
On Lake
cabin-
Michigan, as
on
one
Lake-
would.
On with one would.
Maybe up in Petoskey.
Petoskey would be great. It's a beautiful place. And now you got 2 chargers up there and 2 vehicles that are currently up there charging. So as you can see, what CleverCharge is attempting to do is become a one-stop shop charge management system for the entire household.
I like this idea. This is very cool. So if people wanted to learn more, where would they go?
So they could go to clevercharge.com, and there's a web page there. You guys can get all the information that you want. Or if you're like media and you want to have a more in detailed interview with us or something later, we have the media press kit here, and we'd be happy to give you guys as much time and information as you want in the future.
All right, very good. Thank you, Scott and Thomas, for telling us all about CleverCharge.
All right, thank you guys.